Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is March 22, Tuesday 2022. In this video, we discuss Nifty trading strategies primarily for tomorrow and usually applicable for the next few days also. In my earlier videos, including the one that was made for today's trading, I had explained that the trend is up and therefore we should be looking to buy the Nifty. There should be no confusion in that respect. Now, yesterday was a down day and I had explained that these down days are normal. I mean, no market will go up relentlessly day after day. There will be a pause, there will be a consolidation, there will be minor dips. But if the trend is up, then we have to use those dips, we have to use those consolidations to actually go and buy. We do not go short in an uptrending market. When I say we, I actually mean me. I never go short when I sense that the market trend is up. It's not worth it. Sometimes the Nifty will fall 100, 200 points in an uptrend as it did yesterday. But I don't take those trades because for me it's very confusing. Now I'm short, after half an hour I'm long because the trend may be changing, then I'm short, then I'm long. I can't do this. I have a clear view. I like to have a clear view and then go with that view. The clear view as of now is that the Nifty is in an uptrend. If it is in an uptrend, then we are looking for buying opportunities. That makes my trading very simple for me and easy to implement. Now, the Nifty had a very nice uptrending day today. Early morning dips were bought into by smart money, I suspect. I also bought that dip, although I am not smart money, but luckily I also bought that dip. And then the Nifty had a one-way rally for the best part of the day till it closed at the highs of the day. It was a good day for bulls. It was a good day for people who had a view, and if that view was bullish, it was good for them. I have a view which I have shared with you every day. Quickly, I will show you the chart and explain to you why buying was justified and why I have a view that we are in an uptrend. Now, clearly, in a few seconds or 1 minute, not much can be explained, but whatever is possible, I'll do that. We'll discuss the chart and that will conclude this YouTube video. This is the daily chart for the Nifty. This is today's price bar. We can see a wonderful white candle here and long shadows. Long shadows are usually bullish. Now, I have explained earlier that these black candles that we see are part of the process. We will never see a continuous flow of white candles. This was an exception. But usually we have black and white candles, but the trend remains up. The trend remains up because this is my oscillator, my momentum modified RSI. This is rising. These are the two price bands. You can see that the price bands are rising. So as far as my indicators go, there is nothing to suggest that the trend is changing. Look at the price action itself. This is the gap. This gap has not been filled despite today's big decline, early morning decline. Then of course we had a rally. So whether it is the filling of this gap, whether it is the momentum indicators, the trend is up. We are going to see black candles in between, but I am only a buyer. I have explained to you why this trend is up and why I think of it as an uptrend. Let me quickly show you why buying was justified in the day, after the first maybe couple of hours. This is the 30-minute chart for the Nifty. Note how the Nifty actually, the momentum RSI, modified RSI turned up here. But before the modified RSI turned up, there were some very interesting aspects to this, and that was, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 price bars. The price was, that means for 3 hours, the price was moving sideways. Because each price bar is 30 minutes. So if the price bars are moving sideways, we can expect either a breakout on the upside or a breakdown on the downside. All I had to do was to put a buy stop here. I'm not willing to trade a breakdown because I told you that the trend is up. I'm not looking to go short. If it goes and crosses this level, I want to be a buyer, and I became a buyer here when this high was crossed, and this was a trading range which justified going long when the trading range was broken on the upside, and then after that we had a very handsome rally. So you have to be clear about a view first, and then of course the trade comes. The view for me is that so far the trend is up and I only want to be a buyer. The trend will eventually change into a consolidation or a dip, and then we will change the view, but that's not happening. So this is the clear view. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful time, enjoy your trading and have great fun. Jai Hind.